So welcome in, guys. Today we're going to be talking about the Elgato light strip. I was lucky this weekend. I managed to pick up one from Amazon for £20. I think it was £23. Usually they're about 50, 60. I think it was less than 50% I bought it for anyway. That was on Amazon. So today what we're going to do is we're going to kind of unbox it, fit it, and I'm going to give you a quick rundown on how it all works. So let's get to it. So yeah, like I say, there's not really much to go at this video. You know, it's quite a basic piece of kit, but the functionality is good. But I tell you what, we'll start off with the unboxing. So let's go through it. So let's see what's going on here. So, I mean, to be honest, I've always liked the kind of Elgato packaging. It's always been pretty sweet. It's not super sexy, but it looks the part, right? It looks pretty, I don't know, would you say? It looks pretty like it's recyclable and stuff, or to the most part anyway. So open it up, we've got the instructions there, you know, at the top, little cardboard kind of piece here with all the little bits and bobs in. I've got to say as well, using this, I've got to say this isn't like your normal LED strip at all. It's quite thick, seems quite robust. I've got to say the tape as well that they've used, the adhesive, it really works, really does a good job. And what else we've got in the box? We've got the, like this is the Wi-Fi module, I believe, so that slips into the charger and the actual light strip itself. And then you've got the charger. Just under this we've got a little sticky pad for our Wi-Fi module. Happy days. And then we've also got the old attachments for the charger. So you know, your EU, your US and your UK plugs there. Happy days. So yeah, that was that. I mean, like I say, it speaks for itself. So let's get it fitted now, let's go. So I mean, here's me doing a little time-lapse video here. Sorry, I do apologise about all the wires. I had to kind of pull some wires away, mess around with the wires a little bit to make this happen. Please believe me, I have done some cable management under since as well, and I've tidied this up quite a bit. But yeah, I kind of just peeled a little bit of the backing tape off the adhesive tape and applied it little by little as I moved along the back of the desk. You know, it saved me pulling the desk all the way out. I think that was quite effective. So it works really well. Now what I've got to say is there's two major things that, you know, kind of, you probably noticed while I did the unboxing that there was no actual controller, like remote control, and that's because everything's done through Wi-Fi well, it's done through Wi-Fi, but it's kind of done through an app on your phone or any of your devices, and it's quite widely available, the app. The app's called Control Center by Elgato. I'll put a link in the description below if you do need that or you're looking around for it. It's quite easy to find though. But yeah, the actual software is quite good. If you've got the other Elgato lights and stuff, you'll be quite you might be a bit familiar to it. But you know, you kind of got options like, you've got colours, so you can run through, I can't remember how many colours can you get. 16 million different colours you can get on this piece of kit, which is brilliant, right? Then you've got like the full kind of spectrum of white light, which is kind of your blue to your yellowish tinted light. So you get the full spectrum of that as well, and you also get controls for your brightness and such. The other great thing as well is obviously if you've got a Stream Deck, which I'm going to just cycle through some of the colours on the Stream Deck here. So if you have got a Stream Deck, you're going to be able to use that and be able to kind of use it for things like this. So on here I can change the colours, just a few of them colours there. I can also change the brightness on it as well. You can see it's fading out there. So yeah, really good piece of kit, very happy with it. And obviously if you've got an Elgato kind of ecosystem already going on, really worth getting this LCD LED strip, because it's just gonna fall in line with everything else that you got. Thank you very much for popping in on this video. I hope you appreciate it. If you've got any questions about this device, just give us a shout in the comments below. I'll get back to you. If you are into anything like Twitch or TikTok or anything like that, I'll post my other links in the description below as well. So you can jump and find me on there. I'm on one or two of them platforms of the daily, so you've got to kind of interact with me as I'm going about my daily business. But yeah, other than that, thank you very much, guys. I hope this has been helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.